This is a close-up look at the carbon fiber slide hammer that I've added to the newest edition on the AEA Challenger 457 Max Power Kit, and also a close-up look at the wood after several linseed oil finishes. There used to be a couple scratches right there from the last breakdown, and I've completely buffed them out and they look absolutely amazing. Here's my magazine, so I'm going to shut up from here and let you watch. Alright, as you can see, I've got my homemade rhino liner that I've added to protect the glass. I've had a glass crack on me before. Well, it's plastic, not glass. So I figured I could make a stronger layer by doing this. Also, you could notice there's some small modifications done to this because of the modification I've done with this gun to get the power that we're achieving. I had to make that modification to the mag to make that fit. Also, with that modification, you will see that there's no resistance whatsoever when you slide the mag in and out. I also had to break the gun down because of my bolt that I'm pointing to came loose and caused my cocking lever not to engage, and I couldn't uncock it. I couldn't do nothing. It was stuck until I took the whole gun apart and replaced it and fixed that screw. So what I did is put the little Loctite in there, and I have never had that issue again. So now we're going to test the mags for the first time, because I have never used the mags before because I'm saving those with my customers. So I'm going to be quiet and let you watch the next 6 shots with the mag.
This is the best ammo for this gun. Dry fire? Huh. That's that other ammo. It's not as accurate as this, that 150. $1,024. That's empty.
Alright, this is going to be a quick review today with the AEA Challenger 457. I had made some modifications to the silencer. Didn't like how it was sounding. So as you can see, we have some baffles. Let's see if it makes a difference. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 240s. 2, 1. Alright, I was aiming for the center of that box, and it looks like I got there. Let's see if the 50-yard sight. 50 yards on the money. I was aiming for the center, so it looks like a little to the left, maybe a millimeter, but I bet you I could hit that off can. Let's do that. One shot at the off can for the last shot. Looking at me over there. All right, here we go. I'm gonna hit the off can. miss it. This is the last shot. There we go. I hit it. Nice. Let's go take a look at what we did. Hopefully you can't really see that laser, unfortunately. It is super bright though. All right. Silencer is a go. I like it. It's definitely shooting a lot more accurate than it did the first day I did it. Since I put the baffles in, now it's on the money. All right, here we go. So, this is where, okay, so, let's see what happened here. Where was the can at? Where was the can? Okay, so the can must have been right here. Because that's, there it goes, I see now. Alright, so the first shot was a little to the left. I put the crosshairs dead center this time because I thought I was missing a little left. And just took out the side here. Look at that freaking hole. Didn't blow it up because it was freaking empty as can be. Anyway,